Welcome to Wow Auto Car. Today, we're diving into the latest iteration of Cadillac's luxury sedan, the 2025 Cadillac CT5. This model showcases Cadillac's commitment to blending performance, technology, and luxury into a cohesive driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 CT5 boasts a refreshed design that exudes confidence and sophistication. The front fascia has been updated, featuring a more pronounced grille and sleek LED headlamps that enhance its aggressive stance. The vehicle's wide and low appearance, complemented by sinuous curves, not only improves aerodynamics but also provides a visually striking presence on the road. Under the hood, the CT5 offers a range of powertrains tailored to different driving preferences. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering 237 horsepower. For those seeking more power, there's an optional 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 335 horsepower. Both engines are mated to a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient performance. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available for enhanced traction. For performance enthusiasts, the CT5 Volt variant elevates the experience further. It features a 360 horsepower version of the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, along with performance enhancements like adaptive dampers and an electronically controlled limited-slip differential. This setup provides a dynamic and engaging driving experience, balancing comfort with sportiness. Stepping inside, the 2025 CT5 introduces significant technological advancements. The centerpiece is a stunning 33-inch diagonal LED touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. This expansive screen offers crisp graphics and intuitive controls, enhancing the overall user experience. The cabin materials have been upgraded, providing a more luxurious feel, and the layout ensures both driver and passengers enjoy maximum comfort. Safety remains a priority for Cadillac. The CT5 comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims offer additional features such as adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system, providing drivers with added confidence on the road. Looking ahead, Cadillac has announced plans to transition its lineup towards electric vehicles. Reports indicate that the CT5 and its sibling, the CT4, will be replaced by electric versions by 2026. These upcoming models are expected to be similar in size to the current CT5 and will ride on an upgraded version of GM's BEV3 architecture, known as BEV Prime. This move aligns with Cadillac's goal of having 35% of its sales come from electric vehicles by 2025, marking a significant shift towards sustainable mobility. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac CT5 represents a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're drawn to its refined exterior, powerful engine options, or advanced interior features, the CT5 offers a compelling package for those seeking a modern luxury sedan. As Cadillac steers towards an electrified future, the CT5 stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence in the automotive industry. Thank you for joining us at Wow Auto Car. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world.